Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram story and how to save it for later. But before that, remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my Bow YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, you have to open the Instagram. After that, you have to swipe to the right. And then you have to select the picture that you want to post. After that, at the bottom of the page, you click on your story. So now you posted a story. After that, at the bottom of the page, you have to click on your profile picture. And now below story highlight, you click on new. After that, you select the picture that you posted. And you click on next. After that, you have to add a title. For example, flowers. Now you have to click on add. And you are done. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.